Hi guys, Casey.Sanguins from Guaranty RV. Taking my sunglasses off. It's a beautiful day out here finally. I think summer's finally arrived. Today I want to show you this brand new 2019 Heartland rather, a Heartland Sundance. This is the 241 BH. This is one of my particularly favorite trailers. I love this. This is a small compact trailer, but plenty of sleeping, plenty of space inside. Starting out up front, you've of course got the power tongue jack. That is a must. Beautiful graphics on this trailer. You've got some nice LED light strips up in here. Nice ambient lighting to help you if you're hooking up, backing up to it at the campsite in the dark. You're going to be able to see what you're doing. Plus, if you're just at the site and go for a walk, it's a nice way to just light the front of your camp space up so you know which one you're coming back to. Walking around the side of it, you do have a nice pass-through storage here. I can't show it to you because it is locked and it takes a special key. There's one key. It takes one key to unlock the compartment doors, all the compartment doors, plus the main key on the trailer. That's very nice. If you've had a trailer before, you know that this is a different key than that. So you have to carry a big bundle of keys around with you. No more with this trailer. It's all one key. A couple things though, it does have the magnetic latches, so you don't have the little plastic latch up here that's going to break on you. Just stick it up there and it's going to stick. You've got the nice friction hinge doors. It's not going to blow around real bad in the wind. And again, you don't have to have the little plastic door stop there. You've got a nice full length power awning. Outside speakers, you've of course got the LED light strip underneath the awning, which gives you a nice ambient light. Plus you have the amber porch light to help with the bugs. Back here, let's see if this one's open. This one is not. And again, this takes the special key, but you got a nice, let's see if I can get it actually. You've got the nice outside kitchen in this one that's going to pull out. Again, the magnetic latches, amazing. You got a nice outside kitchen, slides out. This is all metal, so even if it rains, gets a little bit wet, you don't have to worry about it. You got a nice proper draining sink, nice 2-burner stove here. With the hose, it does connect underneath and run off of your propane tanks up front. Nice little storage area. You know, keep extra buns out here or paper plates, maybe your margarita mix, whatever you want to keep out here. A nice little outside fridge. Coming around the back, there's not a whole lot on the other side. Your hot water heater is back here in the back, which is nice, away from the campsite. So you're not going to hear it. It's in the very back of the trailer. We're not going to hear it. You've got all of your hookups right here in one spot. These guys give you, rather than an outside shower, they give you an outside spray port. So it's kind of like a little garden hose, a little more pressure, a little more power, and nice comes with there's inside a nice little coiled up blue garden hose. So let's go on inside and take a look at what's inside. Stepping inside, you got a nice 3-step step, and of course the nice big margarita handle, as I call them. You got 2 entries into the front bedroom. Nice wood sliding doors. Very well appointed up here. Nice hanging wardrobe on either side of the bed. Nice storage up above. And another cool thing, you got 2 LED reading lights on either side of you, but these right here, you got an LED charging station. So that's directly off of the battery. So you're always going to be able to charge your phones, tablets, whatever you've got. A nice place to store them. You've of course got storage underneath the bed. It is on a strong arm, so it does stay up there. Store some extra blankets or pillows or whatnot. Coming back up front, this TV does spin around, so if you're laying in bed and want to watch a movie, you definitely can do that. You got the nice Furrion CD player, DVD player, the whole entertainment package. More storage here. Nice, one of those things that a lot of people don't think about. Nice place to come in and kick your shoes off, kind of get them out of the way. Plus there's a little LED light strip under there, so it's nice ambient lighting. Plus behind this glass panel there's an LED light strip, again just kind of give you the mood lighting. Over here you've got a nice a very large booth dinette, nice U-shaped booth dinette. Again, when these things fold down, the cool thing about the booth dinette is when they fold down, it's long enough that an adult can sleep there, so you're not stuck to just having the kiddos. Back here in the back, more storage. Whether you keep clothes in there or food, use it as a pantry, that's up to you. The bathroom, I love the bathrooms in the Sundances. Look at that beauty. Nice big shower, still small enough tub that if you got some little kids, you could set them in there and be able to clean them up. Nice porcelain toilet. Nice cabinets here on either side. And again, a nice little sink in here. Coming back out here, you've got the bunks. These bunks are huge. A nice teddy bear Bunks foam mattress, very soft, very comfortable. You got windows on both the top and the bottom bunk, so if the kids are claustrophobic, they're not going to be worried about it under there. Plus, more storage under there. The kitchen area, you've of course got a nice fridge and freezer, kind of standard. You got the nice glass top cook stove, 3-burner stove with the glass top, folded up out of the way. A couple things that creates a nice little backsplash, helps keep the wall clean. Plus, if you're not using it, it's smooth with the rest of the counter, so you gain some extra counter space. The sink, these nice high rise faucets, and the nice farm style stainless steel sink with the extendable swingable faucet. Again, this is a 2019 Sundance 241BH. My name is Casey.Sanguins. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we may have in inventory, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. 541-953-9171. Let's talk soon.